Climbing states. In my last submission, I forgot to record the screen. Screen sharing. So I'm gonna do that again. It is telling us you are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. In how many distant ways can you climb to the top? So if it is the distance, the top is, if it is n is 2, we have to return 2 because there's a 2 way to climb to the top. 1 step and then 1 step, or 2 step only 1 time. So if it is a step, oh my god, I'm sorry. If it is n is 1, we have to return is 1. If it is n is 2, we have 2 ways, right? 1 plus 1 or 2 with 1 time, right? Okay, what if it is 3? It is saying then result is 3 because 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 step and then 1 step and 1 step, or 1 step and then 2 steps, 2 steps and 1 step, right? So in 3 is 3. If it is 4, we will have 1 step, 1 step, 1 step, 1 step, and then 2 step, 1 step, 1 step, and then 1 step, 2 step, 1 step, 1 step, 1 step, and then 2 step, and 2 step, and 2 step. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then what if it is 5? If it is 5, we will have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then we will have 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and then 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and then 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 2. So how many cases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to return 8, right? So by seeing this one, we remember something. Okay, it is kind of like a Fibonacci, yeah? Fibonacci, right? In the Fibonacci, it is 0 and 1 and then 1, right? For Fibonacci 1 is 1, and then Fibonacci 2 is 2, and then Fibonacci 3 is, if it is 4, Fibonacci 1 is 1, right? Oh, we have Fibonacci 1 is 1, right? So Fibonacci 0 is 0, right? So 0 plus 1 equal 1, right? So 1 plus 1 equal 2. So Fibonacci 4 is 2 plus 1 equal 3, right? So now it is similar like the Fibonacci, but we cannot do that because the step 1 is 1, right? 2 is 2. Now the Fibonacci is only 2 is 1, right? Fibonacci, like for example, if I put here, this one is the one we want, the result is we want, and the Fibonacci is like that. If the Fibonacci 1 is 1, Fibonacci 2 is 1, and then Fibonacci 3 is 2, and 3, and will be 5, right? So it is not the same with the Fibonacci. So, but the logic is like this Fibonacci, right? So if we want to use the Fibonacci function, we have to separate for the Fibonacci function, and then we can simply return, if the n is 5, we have to return Fibonacci of 6 by separating the Fibonacci function. But now we cannot do like that, but we will use the logic of the Fibonacci. So I am gonna put because then if the step is 1, we have to return 1, right? So I'm gonna put the initial value For the first time is 1, and then I will plus, and then we'll get this one, right? So we need, okay, result array. I'm gonna create a new result array, new integer, because of the initialization item, we need plus more index to the end. And then for the very first one, it should be 1, and then if the result is 1, we will have to return 1, right? So, and we will loop I less than n dot length. Oh, no, and dot length, because it's not array, right? I less than equal, and because we don't have to loop from 0, because 0 we have 2, right? So we have to return, we have to loop starting from 2, so we will plus 0 and 1 to get 2, right? So okay, I plus. Okay, let's see. If we want to get the result, the numbers of distant ways, you have to climb to the top. So we have to know I minus 1 is I minus 2. So result and okay. What if it is 3? What if it is 4? We need to return, what is it? 5. What if it is 8? There's a lot. Okay, yeah, so that's it. I mean, what if it is 5? We need we will get 8. Okay, so let's submit this one. This one is the second one. Okay, cool. So that's it. Thank you.